Hello friends, I keep experimenting with my 3D printer and today I found an interesting vase for flowers. Here you can see how it will look like and how I model the printing process. Over 600 layers and more than a day's worth of printing. I don't agree to that, so I ended up shrinking the model a bit and printing it 2 times faster. Here you can see how layer by layer my printer will print this model. Let me tell you right away that you can't put fresh flowers in it, only stabilized flowers, as the plastic vase will leak water. Believe me, I have tested this. For this model, I will be using black PLA plastic. PLA is a type of polyester made from fermented plant starch, from corn, cassava, maize, sugarcane, or sugar beet pulp. The sugar in these renewable materials are fermented and turned into lactic acid, when is then made into polylactic acid, or PLA. And while I was telling all this, the vase was printed and this is what came out. I've seen vases like this sold in online stores for $10, $20. How much would you pay for a vase like this? I'm sure that such an object will find its place in the interior of any house. In the meantime, my vase will be placed next to other pieces that have not yet found a place in my home. Thank you for watching.